a riddle you enjoy, today you're lucky my boy, cause now here comes the mystery, the most intriguing in history. Tell me who's a loyal friend, and also the funniest goof, who will follow up to the end without even saying woof. Riddle did the riddle did do, riddle did the riddle did do. That's the dog. Woof 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 woof. When he comes to say hello, throws your bat onto the ground, he drews like crazy on you, and he makes you a hairy gown. If this riddle you unfurl, you will be lucky my girl. Today I give you a puzzle, who won't shut up in a muscle. Let me introduce this lady, who could bury you in her poop. She's the queen of the prairie, and by hell she says moo. Riddle did the riddle do, riddle did the riddle do. That's the call. Moo 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 moo. She sleeps behind the fence without a cover of silk, but she takes real offense if you cheat on drinking her milk. If a riddle makes you happy, things are gonna get snappy, for here I bring a charade, sharper than any blade. My next friend, he's a giant, slow and steady he moves, his trunk is long and defiant, and he goes riddle did the riddle did da, riddle did the riddle did da. The elephant. Friendly as he's big, he will even share his food, but watch out, you lose your wig if he steps on your foot. If a riddle fits you great, today you're lucky my mate. I present you a brain teaser, mightier than Julius Caesar. This animal could eat only candy for all he cares. If you stop him he will repeat, give mommy's not fair. Riddle did the riddle did the riddle did the riddle did the. That's the kid. He's the former on my list, my favorite animal. When he claims he's not a beast, I reply, aren't we all? Riddle did the riddle did do, riddle did the riddle did do. That'd be all.